remember doing this at a live cooking show, my stage years ago when I said that, and some lady got really defensive and she yelled out, well, I don't like to eat a lot of starch, so I rinse my pasta. And I'm like, why are you eating pasta? Go eat some vegetables. It doesn't make any sense. You don't like to eat starch. I didn't say that to her. I wanted to, but that was just in my head, right? But some people just get defensive. They get defensive because they've done something their whole life and they feel violated. Now this Yahoo chef is coming into their lives to tell them it's wrong. I'm sorry, but what you have to do is you have to be open to learning. And you know what? I've been cooking my whole life as Chef Des for 21 years, but my whole life, and I still learn stuff. You can never know it all. You never can. It's just don't get that in your head that your way is the right way and that's it, because you can never know everything. But you have to be open to learning. You have to be accepting to someone else's way. And hey, if you're in doubt, hey, try it at least. And then put your own opinion to it. But don't just get in your head that because you've done something your whole life, it makes it right. It doesn't. It really doesn't.